Okay guys, so now after creating sign up form pop-up and testing and changing the email in the contact form, now we will move to the about us section. Here in the about us section you can see I have this our team button. When I click on it, this button will not work. So now I will create an our team page and then I will link this page to the this button. So first of all, to create an our team page, I will go to dashboard. Now I will go to pages and click on add new. Here I will add page title theme and then I will publish it. After publishing the page, now I will click here in this section and then I will click on this use Divi builder button. Now here you can see you have three different options. You can clone an existing page, choose a pre-made layout or build from scratch. I will start building from scratch. Now here before adding any row, first of all I will edit this section. Now I will go to design, spacing, I will give it 120 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now click on the stick button. Now here click on this plus button and add a single row. Now I will go to row settings. Go to design, in spacing, I will give it 10 pixels of top padding. Now click on the stick button, click on this plus button and add a text module. Now here I will add my text. I will type our team. Now here in this drop down, you can change the HTML tag. I will make it heading 2. Now I will go to design. In heading text, I will go to H2 tab. Here I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase and underlined. Now I will make it center aligned so it will appear like that, and I will change its color to blue. I will make its size to 28 pixels. Now go to spacing and here I will give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now click on the stick button. Now I will add another row with 3 columns. Now here first of all I will add an image module. Now I will select image from my media library. I will select this image and upload an image. Now I will go to design, scroll down to the animation and here I will add fold animation and change its direction to center. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button and add a text module. Here I will add its name. Now I will change its HTML tag to heading 3 and go to design. Now click on heading text and go to H3 tab. Here first of all I will change its font to Roboto. Now it will appear like that. Now I will make it uppercase and underlined. I will change the text color to dark black and make it center aligned. I will leave the size, just I will go to spacing and give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Here I will add social media follow buttons. Now I will select this module. Now here you can see you have Facebook and Twitter icon by default. I will add another, so I will click on this plus button, then I will click on this drop down and select LinkedIn. Now here in link you can add your profile URL, but I will not add any link here. You can use it as your choice. Now I will go to design. Here in icon you can change the icon color like that, but I will leave them. Just I will click on the stick button. Now I will go to design. In alignment I will make it center aligned. Here you can change the all three icons color, like icon color of Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. You can make it dark black or any other color that you want, but I will leave them as default. You can add animation, and here in CSS you can add your custom styles, but I will not add custom styles, so I will click on the stick button. Now I will go to row settings. Here first of all I will go to spacing and give it top and bottom padding of 0 pixels. Now go back to content. First of all, I will delete the remaining 2 columns and I will duplicate the first column 2 times. Now you can see it will appear like that. Now click on this tick button and change the settings of other columns. Go to second image. Here I will first change its image and click on upload an image. Now click on this tick button. Go to text and paste the text or add new text here. Now click on this tick button. Now you can see you don't need to change the design options because it is already designed. Now go to last one, edit the image, change the image from your media library, upload an image. Now click on this tick button and go to third one, change the text and click on this tick button. Now I am done, so I will click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will go back to dashboard. Now I will go to pages. Here I will copy the team page link. So I will right click on this view and copy the link address. Now I will add it with Divi the home page. Now the home page setting was opened. Scroll down. Now go to the button. Here I will click on this module. Go to its settings. Go to link and here I will paste the link here. Now here is the link target. You can open it in same window or in new tab. I will make it open in the new tab. Now click on the tick button. Now click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will test the button working or not. So I will click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the button. Here you can see our team button. Click on it and the our team section was opened like that. Now that's it for today. Today we learn how to create our team section and add the link in the button and change the target to open in new tab. In next video I will show you how to create our services page and add link in this button. So keep watching our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a full page website using Divi Builder.